Summer is already here, and we can finally take it easy, right? Wrong. Omnisend is still working hard to bring you valuable updates to help you build loyal customers and generate sales every day. So here I am, bringing you fresh June updates. Let's go. Reminders. Workshop alert! We start Black Friday preparation early this year. Yes, you heard it right. To ensure you're fully packed and ready for the biggest e-commerce event of the year, we'll run a series of workshops over the coming months. Roadmap to Black Friday success, baby. Step 1, collect subscribers. Don't miss out. Link to register in the description. Oh, and make sure you don't miss out on other workshop steps and events. Check out this guide. You know where to find the link. Email Builder. Email templates. We constantly update our templates library and fill it out with new pop-in templates for every occasion and celebration to make it easy for you to send another beautiful campaign. Automated workflows. Yes, the automated workflow templates library is expanding too. Product reviews workflow. With this workflow, you can collect social proof on your product pages and scale the process effortlessly. Automatically send product review request emails to customers who have purchased, allowing them to share their thoughts and feedback. Replenishment reminder workflow. Simplify email marketing and increase customer retention with automated reminders to repurchase products before they run out. Improve customer loyalty, boost sales through timely reminders, and enhance the overall customer experience. Abandoned checkout engagement split. This split helps you to engage with customers who abandon their carts and boost conversion rates by reminding them about their expiring offers. This template not only increases conversion rates, but also re-engages customers who showed initial interest in your products or services. Abandoned checkout collection filter split. Now you can send personalized abandoned checkout emails by targeting the specific collection or products that customers abandoned. Reports. You can now access comprehensive interaction statistics alongside views and signups, including total views, interaction rate, and sign-up rate for different timeframes in your form report. This powerful feature analyzes form performance, view device usage, and exports subscriber data easily. We also updated A/B test campaign report. Key metrics include the number of emails sent, view rate, click rate, unsubscribe rate, spam rate, and revenue generated. Additionally, the A/B test results section allows you to compare the performance of different email versions, analyzing metrics such as open rate, click rate, unsubscribe rate, spam rate, and revenue. Make data-driven decisions by identifying the best performing version and learning from the differences. Compliance. We are introducing two powerful features, SMS frequency capping and SMS quiet hours. With SMS frequency capping, you can control the number of daily messages each recipient receives, with a default limit of 3 SMS messages per day. This limit can be customized or turned off according to your preferences. Additionally, SMS quiet hours allow you to schedule specific delivery hours to ensure your customers are not disturbed at night. Messages sent outside of these set hours will be automatically postponed until the next available delivery timeframe, such as the upcoming morning. You have the flexibility to set custom silent hours or disable this feature if it doesn't suit your requirements. Push notifications. If you missed the news, push notifications are now an independent revenue channel in Omnisend. You can engage directly with your audience without requiring them to subscribe to both push notifications and email or SMS. You can collect push subscribers as standalone contacts now. This also means that push channel subscribers will now be included in the billable contact definition. We implemented changes effective June 1st, 2023 to improve your experience with Omnisend. But for customers who started using Omnisend before June 1st, 2023, the changes to push notifications logic will be implemented on July 3rd, 2023. Please check out the guide below to learn more details. Another exciting update. Say goodbye to the old image and GIF library in the email builder and brand asset settings as we bring you a seamless experience. Now you can easily manage and organize multiple files at once by simply dragging and dropping them. Enjoy the convenience and efficiency of our improved image library designed to streamline your workflow. And last but not least, integrations. Retention.com. Connect your Retention.com account to Omnisend to pass leads into the platform and engage your website's browse abandoners. Retention.com brings your shoppers back to buy. If a website visitor abandons your page, bring them back with a targeted email automation to encourage them to return to your site and complete a purchase. Visual Quiz Builder. Build on-brand quizzes that drive 3 times higher conversion and 50% higher average order value. Visitors to skin, hair, fragrance, supplement, wellness, tea or coffee stores receive personalized product or collection or variant recommendations while you collect valuable zero-party data. Well, I think that was a lot, but I'm glad I could bring you up to speed, and now you can go and use all of those awesome features while we create more for you. See you next month!